We are about to embark on an incredible journey. This journey spans a period so vast it makes billions and trillions of years seem insignificant. We are talking about a Googolplex years. A Googolplex is a number so large it's hard to even write down. Imagine a 1 followed by a Googol zeros. A Googol itself is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. Even if we wrote a 0 on every atom in the observable universe, we still couldn't write out a Googolplex. It's mind-boggling, but don't worry, we'll take this journey one step at a time. We'll start with what we know about our solar system today, then we'll look into the future. First, the near future, thousands and millions of years from now, then we'll jump even further, billions and trillions of years into the future. Finally, we'll reach the limits of our understanding. We'll explore the mind-blowing possibilities of a Googolplex years. This journey will take us through the life cycles of stars. We'll see galaxies collide. We'll even confront the ultimate fate of the universe itself, so buckle up. Get ready for an exhilarating ride through time and space. Our solar system is a bustling place. 8 planets orbit the Sun, along with countless asteroids and comets. The Sun, our very own star, is the heart of it all. It provides the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. Earth is our home. It's a planet teeming with life. From the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, life thrives in every corner of our planet. But Earth is just one member of our solar system's family. Each planet is unique. Mars is a dusty red world. Jupiter is a gas giant with swirling storms. Saturn has its iconic rings. Even now, our solar system is constantly changing. Planets continue their orbits around the Sun. Asteroids collide. Comets streak through the darkness. This cosmic dance has been going on for billions of years. It will continue for billions more. But these changes are just the beginning. Let's fast forward and see what the future holds. In the grand scheme of things, thousands and millions of years aren't that long. But even in this near future, our solar system will experience some fascinating changes. One major change will be the movement of the continents. The Earth's continents are constantly drifting on tectonic plates. Over millions of years, these continents will rearrange themselves. New mountains will rise, oceans will shift. The Earth we know today will look quite different. The night sky will also change. Stars are not fixed points of light, they move through space. Over thousands of years, the constellations we recognize will distort. New patterns will emerge. It's a reminder that even the seemingly eternal stars are in constant motion. These changes are subtle, but they highlight the dynamic nature of our solar system. It's a system that is always evolving, always in motion. But the changes we've discussed so far are just a prelude to the truly dramatic events that await us in the distant future. Let's now jump billions of years into the future. Here we encounter a dramatic turning point in the life of our Sun. Like all stars, the Sun has a lifespan. It won't shine forever. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will begin to run out of fuel. This will have drastic consequences for our solar system. As the Sun exhausts its fuel, it will expand dramatically. It will transform into a red giant star. This red giant will be so large that it will engulf the orbits of Mercury and Venus. Earth itself might be swallowed whole. Even if Earth survives being engulfed, it will be scorched beyond recognition. The oceans will boil away. The surface will turn molten. Life, as we know it, will be impossible. Mars, on the other hand, might become temporarily habitable. The red giant Sun could provide enough heat to melt the Martian ice caps. This could create conditions suitable for life, at least for a while, but eventually even Mars will become too hot to support life. The drama doesn't end with the Sun's transformation. On a galactic scale, even more awe-inspiring events await. Our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with our galactic neighbor Andromeda. In about 4 billion years, these two galaxies will begin to merge. This galactic collision will be a slow and drawn-out process. It will take billions of years for the two galaxies to fully merge. Stars will be flung out of their orbits. Gas clouds will collide, triggering bursts of new star formation. It's unlikely that our Sun will collide directly with another star during this merger. Space is vast and stars are relatively far apart, but the gravitational forces of passing stars could disrupt the orbits of planets in our solar system. This could send planets careening out of the solar system entirely. The galactic merger will reshape our night sky. Instead of the familiar Milky Way, we'll see a new, larger galaxy formed from the remnants of the Milky Way and Andromeda. It's a reminder that even galaxies, those vast islands of stars, are not immune to change. Section 6. The universe ages. Trillions of years of change. As we journey even further into the realm of trillions of years, we enter a realm of scientific speculation. The further we look into the future, the less certain our predictions become. But we can use our understanding of physics and cosmology to make educated guesses. One thing is certain, the universe will continue to expand. This expansion will have profound effects on the evolution of galaxies. As galaxies move further apart, the interactions between them will become less frequent. This means fewer galactic mergers and less new star formation. Over trillions of years, most galaxies will fade. The bright, hot stars that we see today will burn out. New star formation will slow to a trickle. The universe will become a darker, quieter place. But even in this aged universe, there will be pockets of activity. Black holes, those enigmatic objects with gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape, will continue to grow. They will feast on any matter that gets too close, slowly gaining mass over trillions of years. Section 7. Beyond comprehension timescales of a Googol years. We've reached a point where even our wildest imaginations struggle to keep up. A Googol years is an almost incomprehensibly long time. To give you some perspective, the universe is only about 13.8 billion years old. A Googol years is billions of times longer than the current age of the universe. At these timescales, we're dealing with theoretical concepts that push the boundaries of physics. One such concept is proton decay. Protons are subatomic particles that are generally considered stable. But some theories suggest that protons might decay over extremely long periods. If proton decay does occur, it would have profound consequences. Atoms, the building blocks of matter, are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. If protons decay, atoms themselves would eventually disintegrate. Another mind-boggling possibility is the decay of black holes. Black holes are often thought of as eternal objects, but even black holes might evaporate over incredibly long periods through a process called Hawking radiation. Section 8. The ultimate fate, heat, death, entropy, and the unknown. As we approach the end of our journey through a Googolplex years, we confront the ultimate fate of the universe. The most widely accepted scenario is known as the heat death. Heat death isn't a fiery inferno, it's the opposite. It's a state where the universe reaches maximum entropy. Entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness. In a state of maximum entropy, energy is evenly distributed throughout the universe. There are no more temperature differences, no more potential for work to be done. The universe becomes a cold, dark, and utterly uniform expanse. But heat death is not the only possibility. Some theories suggest that the universe might go through cycles of expansion and contraction. Others propose that our universe is just one of many universes in a vast multiverse. The truth is, we don't know for sure what the ultimate fate of the universe holds. Our understanding of physics breaks down at these extreme timescales. The fate of the universe remains one of the biggest unanswered questions in science. Section 9. A universe of wonder, reflections on our cosmic journey. We've reached the end of our incredible journey through time. We've witnessed the birth and death of stars, the collisions of galaxies, and the slow fade of the universe itself. It's been a journey that has challenged our imaginations and expanded our understanding of the cosmos. What have we learned? We've learned that change is the only constant in the universe. Everything from planets to stars to galaxies has a lifespan. Nothing lasts forever, but this realization shouldn't fill us with despair. Instead, it should inspire us to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the universe we inhabit. We are fortunate to live in a time when the universe is vibrant and alive. We have the opportunity to explore the cosmos, to unravel its mysteries, and to marvel at its grandeur. So let us continue to explore, to question, and to dream. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Our journey through the cosmos has just begun.